Hey gamers, check out the ultra-powerful AULA F99 Pro mechanical keyboard. Choose from a variety of switch combinations. White, blue, purple, and black, gray, green offer gray wood switches, black, pink features Reaper switches, and gradient black comes with star vector switches, catering to all your tactile preferences. Enjoy 3 connection modes. Pre-lubed linear switches deliver a smooth feel and rapid response. Experience 16 RGB lighting effects, macro programming, and N-key rollover to master every moment. Its unique gasket structure and PCB single key slot, paired with dual-shot PBT keycaps and a built-in 8,000 mAh battery, ensure exceptional stability and long-lasting power. AULA F99 Pro. Take your mechanical keyboard experience to a whole new level. Try it now.